Okay, class. We are doing NTI on January 14th for a B day. So let's review the expectations for NTI asynchronous instruction. That means that I don't open a Zoom room and teach you guys directly. There's this work on Canvas, and you will do the work on Canvas, and then we grade it later. I'm supposed to give you quality assignments on Canvas. I shouldn't be giving you new material. I'll do my best. It's the first B day of the year, and we haven't seen each other, so I'm going to honor that as best I can. Zoom links should be available. I'm going to create a Zoom room, and there'll be a link on an announcement on Canvas, and you guys are free to visit me at 1:30. If people don't show up before 2, I'll close it up and be available. If you email me, I'll open it back up. I'm also available at other times over email, and if needed, I could start a Zoom room at any time during the day for you. So let's see. Students have 3 days to turn in work once we get back to school. So when we get back, then the 3 days after that, assignments will lock. I do lock them, and if you do the work, you get participation. So no matter what grade you get, participation is the NTI version of attendance. So you get marked present basically for the day. And I shouldn't give you too much work. So let's move on. And please feel free to skip to the class that that you're in, and you don't need to watch this video for the ones that you don't have, or if you think the instructions are clear enough on Canvas, you can just come back and review this if you need to. All right, so Introduction to Media Arts. You have an Ed Puzzle, History of Film 1. Okay, it worked for the kids yesterday. It should work for you. Just click that button, watch the video. Questions are pretty clear. If there are short answer questions, please don't just write a generic answer that could be for anything in the universe. Write something specific to the prompt that has to deal with the video, that uses terms used in the video, it uses examples in the video. Something like technology is advancing. That's going to be graded as a 0. That's not an answer that has anything to do with the video. All right, next thing, broadcast journalism. I think these are flipped. I think broadcast is B1, intro is B2, but we'll just go with it. Here we go. Broadcast journalism. There's a quiz. Okay, so remember the ASB videos from last year? So we're going to, I don't know if we ever did this one or if we're reviewing it, but this is, the content is reviewing for on-the-go interviews. They changed the password over the break, so the new password is 2025. So click that link, put this password in there, go to on-the-go interviews, click this chapter 2, watch that video, and if you want to, you can take the quiz that's after that, and then you'll know all the answers, and you can then take the quiz that's here. So you're going to, this is a graded quiz on Canvas. So it's the same questions. I used a tool to import the ASB questions into Canvas. I'm smart like that, and now we have Canvas quizzes for this. All right, and we move on to yearbook B3, last class of the day. I uploaded a PDF to Canvas, and then I got spinny wheel when I clicked on it. So then I uploaded it to Google Drive and put the link on here. This is what the PDF looks like. There's page 1. There's 32 pages on here. You only have to worry about 2 pages, just 1 and 2. So review this first page and review the, second page here. So this is page 2, photo story. Page 1, and then go to quizzes.com. You don't need the admin part there at the end because you're not an admin. So go to quizzes.com, or let's see, maybe I'm telling you wrong. Click on this link. This has the join class code, and this actually also starts the quiz. If there's confusion on there, click this down over here. If it asks you to enter a parent email, you could enter your parent email or your own email, but I'm not going to be sending parent notes out about quizzes. So if you have to put in some kind of email to get it started, you can. But you need to use your school email to be logged in. If you're logged in with a personal email, then I'm not going to grade that. So you have to be logged in with your into Google when you create this account. And the quiz is pretty straightforward. All the answers are taken right from the first page and the second page. And we'll review it when we get back into class. And that's all she wrote. You guys have a great day. I don't expect to be in school tomorrow because we're going to be about 0 degrees when we wake up on Wednesday. So if I see you guys on Thursday and Friday this week, I will be very happy to see you. Stay safe. Take care of somebody if you can, and we'll see you whenever we get back in school.